everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today I'm back with a new video of how to. Last video was about an eye. If you want to watch it, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. And today's video is about hair, okay? So we'll start with two male and two female. So with male, we'll start with the base. This is the shape of the base of the male. Now these are examples from Google, but you can get examples from real life, Google, or any website, okay? Just type man hairstyle or female hairstyle, okay? So I'm going to draw my own hairstyle here. So very easy. I'm going to use a base to help me to draw it. Make sure you are not out of the base, you are inside of it. Anything inside the hair you will wrap in any hairstyle, okay? The second one, I'm going to use the same base. All of the men hair are in the same base, no one change, okay? So I'm gonna to add just some few details, but the base the same. We haven't covered the base, so the base remains the same. Female hair are different. Female hair base is different. They don't have this heel. Yeah, they just have a flat base. I'm going to draw one straight hair and one tie hair, okay? So yeah, as you see, I'm wrapping anything inside the hair. For the tie hair, I'm gonna to tie it three, just with different situations. Sorry, the page is so small so that they are squeezed together, but there's no problem. So as you see, I'm using the same base, but I'm gonna to tie in the hair. The base remains the same because we haven't covered it. If we cover it, we will wrap anything inside, okay? I hope it makes sense, okay? So yeah, let us jump into the coloring. I'm using markers. I always promote these markers because they are so nice. When you want to draw a hair, please try, if it's from real life, try to make it as real as possible. As you see, I'm following a line just to make it very detailed, okay? When you color it randomly, it looks non-professional, horrible, and yeah, but if you color it like me on lines, it will look more professional. Let's jump into something more funky, green. Now when you are in the base actually doesn't have a specific straight lines, but you just need to merge on the color to look like a beautiful hair, because the base doesn't have any choil hair, just a base, okay? For female also, I'm going to do the same. Here I'm going to follow lines like this to make the hair looks pretty nice, up to down. Yeah, this makes the hair looks very nice. Now I'm highlighting the ear because any object inside the hair should be highlighted, at least to make sense, like the neck, the ear, all of these parts, okay? I'm gonna to make the back hair a bit darker to show off different, okay? This is our professional steps, but yeah, it looks fun and totally beautiful. For the tie hair, I'm gonna to do the same with this little ponytail, but for the base, just like male hairstyle, they don't have a specific order, so you color it randomly and you make sure doesn't look bad, yeah? So here I have added another tie. I know it's not nice, but I want to show you all the possibilities you can do with this tie hair, okay? So here we go. I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is a video of learning. I hope you love it. If you love it, please like and subscribe for more videos, and follow me on my Instagram, and have a good day. See you later in a new video, and bye.